Roy and Pam, and we live in Carpentersville, Illinois, and Innovative came out and did a wonderful job on our roof.
I was Googling, looking for roofers, and it was a mess. It started with Home Advisors, which I would never call again.
You ain't supposed to say that.
After about 11 companies, Innovative is the one that actually returned the call promptly. They were out here and took us through every single step that we needed to know, because we've never had to replace a roof before.
It was old and leaky. It needed to be replaced. While I was painting the kitchen ceiling, I noticed it isn't covering right. And I walked out to the back and kind of looked, and it's right over the turbine fan up there. We have a problem because you can't paint moisture. And that's when I noticed it's leaking.
Like I said earlier, after making several phone calls, they were the only ones that called back promptly. Tilio came out and walked us through every single step and made us feel extremely comfortable, because it is a big investment, and we decided to definitely go with them. It was like working with family almost. It was amazing. All we had to do was call our insurance company. They came out, went with Innovative, and they took care of everything else. I never had to make another phone call or do anything. Amazing.
He was great. He was great. Most salesmen are pushy or liars. That's what it is. And he wasn't. I
made us totally feel
we were very comfortable with talking to him.
Attilio Crispino, amazing guy. Wonderfully returned every phone call. Actually, they didn't even have to return. They answered the phone calls every time I called, like on the second ring, and just wonderful group of people to work with. And I would recommend them to anybody that we know that's looking for a roof or gutter or anything. Rick and his crew are amazing. Probably see in the background I have a lot of flowers. Not one petal off of it. Never found a nail or a piece of paper. They were great.
By the time they left, you didn't even know we had a new roof.
Installed. Yeah, it was amazing. And the crew was just so courteous and nice and friendly. They did a wonderful job. I can't say enough about them, honestly. It looks beautiful.
It don't leak anymore.
Innovative, on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the greatest, I'd give them a 10 plus. It was fantastic.
Yep, did a great job.
Don't just renovate it, innovate it.
Ooh, yeah. To innovate your home, what's the best way to go? Innovative Home Concepts. Call 888-356-90.